In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to crop the size of a video in Clipchamp quickly and easily. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform, adjusting the video size to the correct aspect ratio is extremely important. The right size makes your content look professional, avoids awkward black bars, and ensures your video fits perfectly on every screen. I'll walk you through everything step by step, and if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Clipchamp in your browser and go to any project of your choice. You can either create a new project or open an existing one that already has a video inside it. Once your project loads, you'll see the preview window in the center and your timeline at the bottom. Make sure your video clip is added to the timeline so you can see it in the preview area. Now, to crop or change the size of your video, look toward the top area of the editor where you'll find the Size option. This controls the aspect ratio of your entire project. Click on Size and a drop-down menu will open. Inside this drop-down, you'll see multiple aspect ratio options to choose from. For example, you might see options like 16:9 for standard YouTube widescreen videos, 9:16 for vertical TikTok or YouTube Shorts videos, 1:1 for Instagram Square posts, or 4:5 for certain social media formats. These ratios determine how your video frame is shaped. Next, simply click on any ratio of your choice. As soon as you select it, Clipchamp will automatically adjust your project to match that new aspect ratio. You'll immediately notice the preview window change shape. If your original video doesn't perfectly match the new ratio, you may see black bars or parts of the video repositioned. To fix this, click directly on the video inside the preview window. You can then drag the video to reposition it within the frame. This allows you to control which part of the video remains visible after resizing. You can also use the corner handles around the video in the preview to zoom in slightly if needed. This is especially useful when converting a horizontal video into a vertical format. Just make sure important elements like faces, text, or key visuals stay centered and visible. Take a few moments to preview your video after adjusting the size. Press play and confirm that everything looks good throughout the entire clip. If needed, continue adjusting the position until you're satisfied with the framing. Once you're happy with the new size and layout, you're ready to export your video. Click on the Export button in the top right corner, choose your desired resolution, and let Clipchamp process your final video in the updated aspect ratio. And that's it. That's how you crop and adjust the size of a video in Clipchamp. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks to completely change the format of your content for different platforms. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Clipchamp tutorials and video editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.